Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm awake.
You're wide awake?
No.
Oh yeah, because you can't tell me you're wide awake. You look like you're fucking passed out.
I'm already packed up, ready to go. They are putting the mattress in. That was like the last thing that they had to pack because they slept on it last night. And we are off to our first stop, which is Oklahoma City. We are on our way to California.
13-hour drive to Oklahoma City. That smells really good. It smells like white people or like a baby.
Guys, so we're on our way to Nashville to pick up Andrew's dad. I have learned Nancy is not a good multitasker.
I used to be, right now I'm just not. My brain is not in a good place.
We've had our sugary rush this morning. We had Dunkin' Donuts with some fantastic coffee, which is empty. And we have a freaking sombrero.
Yeah. You only bought white people stuff. I feel like you only bought white people stuff. You didn't even think about your black friend. You went.
What?
I'm teasing you. I'm teasing.
Just crossed into Memphis, Tennessee. We are going to stop here in Memphis and eat some lunch. On the other side of the building, they're so cute. Oh my god. Right there! Are you blind?
I think she said punch bags.
Yeah!
Where?
I'm up right there!
Why don't I see the punch bags? What are you talking about?
Blue car.
Oh, that's a punch bag?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought like you meant for boxing.
We have stopped somewhere on the outskirts of Memphis, and this is like the look of being in the car all day.